All right, guys, how we doing? Sorry if I look like I just got out of the shower, maybe a pool, but man, it is hot here. Philippines weather is non-victim to me. I am just whatever. Okay, let me. All right, there we go. How we all doing? How we all doing, guys? We predicted this drop pretty quick. It did happen. Crypto winter, $1,000 on Luna short, $65. I shorted Luna. I also shorted at $85. Um, insane. I don't know what to say. Sorry, I'm a couple minutes late here, guys. We have a little Wi-Fi box, little box. I don't know how this thing is working, but I appreciate it because the PMG fam needs an update. All right. What's up? What's up? How we doing? Crypto 2A, Chris CJDV. Jay, I'm doing good. Love the cover art, Annie. Awesome. Okay, guys. So I need to take this off. I can hear myself. So here's the deal. Bitcoin. Right into the market, guys, and things are going up. But don't be fooled just because things are going up. Okay, we're going to talk about the support levels and stuff like that. No one should be getting wrecked in their portfolio unless you guys have a hodl portfolio from last year. Honestly, I'm down on my hodl portfolio last year, fam, and I don't really care. I don't look at it. Hodl portfolio. I'm just doing futures. I love the drop. Okay, I am blessed that we had a drop. And I'll tell you why, guys. We're going to look into this right here. So, very funny, guys. If you look at my last stream or even the last couple of levels we've been looking at here, PMG fam, we got the 30,000 600 level right here. Now, of course, I put an order block right here, which was a horizontal line. Then we've got our next level here at 26.5. And then we got our next level at 24 to 25, guys. Here's the deal. Bitcoin, the 30 hasn't been touched. If you guys think we dropped, we haven't even had a drop yet. All right. And I said this yesterday on the daily, guys. When we didn't hit the daily RSI. Okay. We didn't drop, right? This was not a drop. I was telling you guys yesterday, this 34.35, that wasn't the drop, right? This right here, that was the drop. From 34 all the way to pretty much 29,000 US. That was the freaking drop, guys. Okay. Everybody smash the like button, guys. Sorry we couldn't do the 5-minute timer. I'm working off of a Wi-Fi box if you guys are just tuning in here. So we'll go as much as we can, guys. Hopefully we can get past an hour with smooth internet here. So here's the deal. Because we had the drop, we're going to retrace a bit and we're going to hold support. But I don't think the drop is over. If you guys look right here, again, 2018, guys, I keep on talking about it because we broke support in 2018. Unless we break support to the upside on the weekly, this is where I think our target is at this point, guys. You're looking at about 25 to 24. But to be honest, I think we could even get a wick to 19,000 at this point. And the reason I think, but it would be a disgusting wick. It would be a brutal wick. it would be a quick wick and it wouldn't last. It would just be massive accumulation. Although 2019,000, although you're going to have buy orders set at your 200 EMA, dogs are barking, sorry about that. Buy orders set at your 200 EMA, guys, which we were talking about the other night here. Look at this. Holding support. If you break this, there's no telling really how low Bitcoin will go. You've already broken your 50. You've broken every single MA on every single day. Okay, guys? Look at this. Every single day. If this closes in the next 20 hours below 31,946, 23 or 25 to 19,000 is very possible in crypto. UST doesn't seem like it's going to maintain the peg. We're going to talk about UST, guys, as well. Okay. This time the Luna short worked. We were shorting Luna around $65, $100. Let's see here. Luna short worked. Yep. If it goes to 19K, I would buy some Bitcoin. I definitely would not buy Bitcoin at 19K. I would be buying a whole nother asset. Luna has officially tanked. Let me shut off my phone Wi-Fi if you guys think the stream is lagging. Give me a minute. Okay. Wi-Fi off. It should be good. Okay, we're going to look at, so levels here, 32 to 30 around here. Okay, we're looking at lower levels around 25, 26. Okay, now here's the thing about Bitcoin dominance, guys. If the stream is lagging, I'm very sorry. I shut off my phone Wi-Fi. Joji, if listening, if you can shut off your phone Wi-Fi and computer, that would be great as well. Guys, mentorship fam, making freaking money off of Luna, off of Algo. If you guys have checked out of crypto, if you guys are on futures, you're not going to make money, okay? If you're hodling coins and you're not trading futures, you're not going to make money. I'm telling you that right now. But if you guys are trading futures, we're going to be doing a cool live tour. Hopefully, if you guys are a part of the mentorship, you're going to tune into. It was supposed to be today, but I need a bit more time planning it. So you're looking at dominance here, guys. I don't think we had the bounce. Yeah, no, we're still bullish on dominance. I don't know why my trend line was there, but until we break this uptrend on Bitcoin dominance, I don't really see us rising in altcoins yet. Keep in mind your pump was since April 26th. You could run to here or you can drop. We are below your 50s, so bullish in that sense. But as of right now, guys, you're in an uptrend on Bitcoin dominance on the weekly pretty much. Luna went from 120 to 26. Guys, if you remember back in Canada about a week and a half ago, what was I saying? I was saying Luna at $29. Okay, we'll go take a look at Luna when the stream starts. Stream is not starting yet. We're just looking at Bitcoin and stuff like that. Dominance needs to drop, guys. Dominance at 42, not good. Not good at all. Then we look at Ethereum. That rooster. That rooster has made me lose so much sleep. Okay, so then we look at Ethereum. Okay. So here's the deal with Ethereum. Ethereum just broke, I think it was your 3-day EMA. Yeah, your 3-day EMA. So Ethereum's going to probably test 24, which was our massive, massive support target. 1500 to 1800, guys, on Ethereum. It looks like it can happen. It didn't break support yet. It's pretty much breaking support now. So Ethereum could definitely go to honestly that 1500 to 1800 price target. Price action is better than indicator. What? Price action is better than indicator. Okay. Yeah, you definitely do want to check out price action. Okay, we'll definitely look at Luna. Okay, Ethereum Luna, guys. I appreciate your support, guys. Smash that freaking like button, PMG fam. Let's get the stream trending tonight. Let's go. All right, guys, we are back. We are back, fam. Here's the deal, guys. I went extra on the stream last night, okay? Before we got cut out or before I exited, whatever. Then we went in the mentorship doing live for a bit, guys. Near, Axie Infinity, Algorand, all you guys better be making money off those coins that we looked at. And of course, Luna, okay? If you guys are making money in the mentorship or even on PMG anywhere in the ecosystem, I want to see 111 in the comment section below because multiple communities, people are like, what's happening? Our community, we were geared up for this unless someone's been checked out. Okay, so let's look at the Luna coin. Guys, what happened with Terra Luna? I said this, guys, on the weekly. I'm going to show you guys something on Luna. First, UST. Okay. Look at this, fam. UST. Terra Luna's stablecoin. Done. Luna. Not done necessarily. But Terra's got to put out something pretty massive, guys, because look at this. Peg held. The peg held. The peg held. Bitcoin is a reservoir for stable coins, PMG family. Look at this. Dropping. This thing dropped to 59. Do you know how much money everybody lost by being in Terra Luna stablecoin? Guys, 39%. If we were in a stable coin on Terra UST, I've never talked about it in on PMG, mostly because I just didn't. I don't know. I've believed in it, of course, but guys, 39%. So you would almost be safer being in Bitcoin as a stable asset other than UST Terra. Okay. So we do got to go look at Luna, obviously, here. Wow. Brutal. Terra Luna, 28 bucks. Okay. Is it done or is it because of this? All right, here's the deal. Double top on Luna. Technically, I know it went a bit higher. This could have been a neckline that you broke at 56. Now, I was saying 59 for quite a while, guys. I really want to put out a video and warn people, but I'm really done with the Bitcoin prediction videos and dropping videos because of what happened back the other month. I was calling a drop. It didn't happen as much as I thought. Here's the deal. On your weekly on Luna, you broke your 618. So you broke that 34, guys. At this point, your next support on Luna would be 22 freaking dollars. Luna could go all the way down based on what I'm seeing right now. Everybody should have been shorting Luna, okay? Luna could go down to 19 to $20 on Terra Luna. Why did Jasmy pump so much more, guys? Because Jasmy is the coin that is, people make massive money on Jasmy here. So we'll be talking about Jasmy, guys. UST crash started over the weekend by a whale manipulating withdrawals, causing panic. There you go. 21K will be the bottom. Okay. Ren sold. Yeah, Crypto Banter's been promoting Luna for quite a while. Also, Phantom as well. You know, I just got to say this as a public announcement for everybody, guys. I'm not an oracle. Okay, Ren's not an oracle. The guy has put out more stuff that has made me research more. I'm not going to say all the stuff bottomed out, guys, but in this time, it's easy to point and blame fingers and stuff like that. The guy's made a really good research show, in my opinion. So, yeah, they might be down, but definitely got to give my hat to him. So, when the market bounces up, Luna will fly. Not necessarily. Pax G Coin, because it never trusted Tether. Okay, let's look at Jasmy based on what you guys are saying. Okay, so $28. Obviously, we know that Luna's jumping off a cliff. We do know that Luna has broken massive support. Okay. This is when I lost my confidence in Luna right here. Bang. This is that candle, 90 bucks. That's when I lost confidence in Luna. Okay. So, Jasmy is doing what? Pumping or what? Let's go the 1 hour here, PMG family. Still increasing rates. New economy coming, maybe. Yep, for sure. Okay, so Jasmy pumped your 1 hour EMA. Yeah, 1 2 guys. Here's the thing, Jasmy's a low cap. People are very bullish on Jasmy. This would have been an insane buy and long at 1 2. Although I'm waiting for the market to stabilize before I do anything crazy. 35%, not too bad. I did short Luna. I think we all shorted Luna. So yeah, you pumped up to where you dropped from almost here. It does look like Jasmy might be going for a possible run. If Jasmy breaks out of this right here, guys, Jasmy might start flying. But then I also want to go to the 12 hour here. And we're still below your 200 EMA on the 12 hours. So Jasmy is looking okay. I don't recommend anybody selling if you're in a loss in your crypto portfolio right now, guys. Do not sell if you're in a loss in your crypto portfolio because we will have a bounce, okay? Definitely will have a bounce. You got Algorand, right? Algorand had that nice double top, right here, bang, this would have been your open marker at about 66, 67, and you're making profit all the way down to 60 something dollars. Algorand is just proving bearish right now. So here's the deal on algo. How much further can algo drop? Well, at this point, looks like Algorand could possibly come down to in the 40s if you break your 30 RSI on the weekly. Okay, so definitely watch algo, guys. It is getting bearish. Everything's getting bearish pretty quick. RMRK. Why are we looking at RMRK? Does something happen that I'm unaware of on RMRK? Guys, these chairs are not made for me. I had to use a bucket to shower. That is a humble life right there. The humble life. Take a bucket, a green bucket, fill it up at the sink. You're good to go. Never, never will I have an hour shower again in Canada. Nope, that's not happening. Okay, let's see here. Sorry, guys. I seen a thing on my phone. I forgot I took the picture, so I had to say it. If you guys aren't following me, Stroud Limitless on Instagram, guys, follow my kind of story and how we're building PMG. I'm going to start doing developer stuff so you guys know I'm actually focusing on you guys and not buying a Bugatti, traveling the world, living on a yacht, Lamborghini yacht, all that stuff, right? So, and meeting up with you guys as well. Look at GMT. Okay, before we talk about any other coin, look at GMT, guys. GMT, man. GMT is insane. Patriot, no, 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 definitely not. Definitely not. We're far into the main city. Or not the main city, but the far out. Okay. Anyways, GMT guys. Mentorship fam, come on. I want to hear you guys. Posted this at 2:52 yesterday. I said if it drops here, it's gonna drop. Look, GMT finally broke support. Here's the thing about GMT though. GMT has been holding up. Whales have been holding up GMT like insane amounts of whales. This would have been your time to sell GMT 279, right? You broke. You're gonna come down to the daily. Your squeeze momentum indicator is just proving bearish. And GMT is probably, guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. After this pump, GMT could come down to $1. Okay. Because your next major support would be about 90 cents to $1 on GMT. It's a fitness crypto. Why am I laughing? Because Bob is all about GMT. Oh my god. Isa, guys, Isa. Okay, this guy's in our mentorship program, right? Okay. He's saying ape, all right? We're not talking about ape. He did 3,200% on BTC at a 125x. 3,200% on Bitcoin short at 125x. Never trade with debt. Never trade with debt. Don't do that ever. Never trade with a loan. Come on, guys. Okay, so ApeCoin, sure. 834. Guys, I said the top was here, and I also said the top was around 20 bucks. Right? You got to ride out these shorts. Here's the thing, PMG family. When you guys are in a short, okay? When you guys are in a short, and this is for everybody not in the mentorship program. If you aren't, you got to get into it. But guys, if you're getting ApeCoin right here, 18 bucks, and it drops to 14. Whatever. Set your stop loss, your take profit stop loss above your swing high at about 1677. If it pumps up to here, you get wicked out. If not, you're making profit. Okay, and that's not just for ApeCoin, that's every coin, guys. 53%. You guys would have made 72% by holding this short. Okay, I hold shorts for probably a week. Okay, guys, I don't look at my short. I hold it for a week. I'm good to go. I also hold longs for a week or two. Okay, and I set my take profit stop loss. And if it wicks me out, great. I get wicked out in profit. I never get out of a trade. Never, ever, ever. Okay. Cardano. What is happening with Cardano, guys? The fact that Cardano is that it went to 57, I'm dumbfounded. One, because, well, here's the deal on Cardano. We know we have a crypto winter, okay? Sorry about the background noise. People are driving the bikes, stuff like that, guys. We just broke our 6-day EMA, 72 cents. All right. If you guys think Cardano's done dropping, man, if you guys think Cardano's done dropping, have another one, okay? 39 is your next support, 39 to 40. Guys, on ADA, on Cardano. This coin is just brutal. I just don't know what to say about Cardano. Like your 200 EMA, I guess it's at 54. So I guess your support would be 39.40 if you break your 200 EMA. But you haven't even touched the bottom on your descending pattern, and you haven't hit the 30 on the RSI from the top here. Okay, your top would have been around 245 on Cardano. Okay, but guys, Cardano coming down to here, she's gonna drop. Now everyone is talking about the full moon on May 16th. So here's the deal. It is May 10th right now. What could happen, guys, is if the full moon is as real as we say, because this would be the ultimate test of the full moon. I would love to see this thing hit the bottom before the 16th. If it does hit the bottom, then I can expect a pump on the full moon. If it doesn't hit the bottom, then what we might do is come down to 32 on your RSI. We might pump back to 37 on your RSI because that would be where it broke out. So we might come back up to 34 for the full moon cycle and then dump. Or what is going to happen is we're going to completely dump through May, because if you guys remember last time, the full month in May we were dumping. No full moon, new moon cycle played out. Let's go, CJDV in the house. This guy took a lot of time making those. Where's the bottom for BTC? I don't know. Where's the bottom in the abyss in the ocean? And tell me when you find that answer. All right. I have no idea. I would say the bottom in the abyss has never been found. So you'll know the bottom in BTC, probably around 20K. If it does drop below 25 at the moment, I would say the bottom is 26.5 and 25,000 USD. Dent, I did see that post. Anybody catch Raoul Paul's tweet? Yes. We should see yields fall while equities, cryptos, commodities see a full liquidation. Guys, you're about to see a massive recession. Buying now or wait? No, I'm not buying. I'm not buying anything for HODL. Absolutely not. No. And guys, I know some people are going to be upset. Look, I've been trying to gear everybody up for this drop for the last month. All right. Zilliqa still holding strong, but Zilliqa just broke. Okay. I think Zilliqa just broke your trend. Ooh, it just broke your trend here. Okay. So now Zilliqa's onward and downward to 3 cents, which would also be 100% if you're shorting it. Hey, I'm not saying Bitcoin's going to 100K. I said the top on Bitcoin this year is probably 75 to 81. Okay, let's look at the DXY. Guys, the biggest short of all time, Luna, Terra Luna, right? Terra Luna, biggest short of all. This thing is driving me crazy. Terra Luna, biggest short of all time. All right, so here's the deal. Here's the deal, guys. You see this happen. We hit a marker of 29K. Now, I wouldn't get bullish yet, but I would definitely be aware that your DXY is pointing down. Very, very bullish still, but as soon as we hit that 70, guys, you're probably going to see crypto start pumping. But if you want to look at the DXY in a different time frame, because I don't even think we've ever looked at the monthly on the DXY. Very, very bullish, okay? So the DXY on the monthly is very, very bullish. All right, guys. FitFi. Guys, smash that like button, PMG fam. Like I said, when we are game good to go, we'll have videos on every single YouTube channel. After the stream, guys, I'm going to be making my BitGet video public. Please check it out because it is one of my favorite trading platforms as of right now, BitGet. Okay, let's see here. So FitFi. Oh, I can't look at the 12. Well, look at the 4 hour. So FitFi is bottomed out here, guys. It is holding support here at your order block pump around 28. As you see, it bounced off of your order block right here. That is brutal from 60, 72 all the way to 28. Move to earn is going to be really big, though, guys, with Move Z, GMT, and stuff like that. I think watch to earn is going to be your next bubble in crypto. Isa, you learned how to short. Oh yeah, Isa, you never shorted. You always longed all the time. Appreciate you. All right, cool. Let's look at yeah, step in support here, I guess. You know what I do want to look at though? Everdome and ERN. Haven't looked at the charts other than riding shorts, and man, Everdome picked up pretty quick here. Ugh. I should have picked up some Everdome. Come on. I wasn't looking. You know what? No, Everdome could still drop. I think Everdome could still come down to Everdome's about to break out actually. Lower time frames, but the reason Everdome is not dropping as much, guys, it's already pretty much bottomed out here. So your 2.6 would have been your dump on Everdome, I guess. It went up 20%. I would still wait to see what happens on Bitcoin, and I would wait for a break on the 50. Everdome on the daily just had a parabolic cross on the top. I did not see that. So I think Everdome could come to around 1.8 to 2 cents. If Everdome comes to 1.8 to 2 cents, I'm buying up huge. And then I would also look at ERN, guys. If it went to $1, my goodness. Eye candy will be huge in ERN and also the NFT marketplace, guys. So yeah, you're dropping on ERN. You haven't even hit the bottom yet on ERN because if we go to KuCoin, oh, I guess BSC would have been a better one here. So if we go to KuCoin, guys, you're looking on your 30 bang at the bottom. I see $1.50, maybe $2 on Eternity Chain. Um, Based on what I see with the Eternity Chain, I would probably put this in my HODL portfolio closer to the end of May. All the smartwatches need to catch up to Step and others. You know what? I want to see what move Z does because if you can earn money with crypto while swimming, that is pretty huge. Look at Polka City. All right, you guys know I'm bullish on Polka City. Obviously, be able to take a hit like this. Um, okay, there's our trend line, guys. Polka City, 60 bikes gone down the drain, literally. Here I was at, I think, 100 grand, and I didn't cash out. No, maybe here. What was it? Here, 100 grand. It was 20 cents, I believe. It was probably around here. I was at 100 grand. I can't remember. I didn't cash out. I'm waiting for that accumulation to reach the max, right? So it does look like Polka City is going to bottom out here, and then you could see the 3,700 price increase if we get a run. It'd be nice if Polka City breaks it. I want it to break support because I want to buy. I want to buy at the bottom. You're already at the bottom and you pumped up to here. So you got to come down to the bottom of your RSI on whatever time frame you're looking at for a coin to run smoothly and not get pump and dumps and stuff. Because typically your bottom was here, guys, on Polka City already, 4 cents. You got buyers, buyers, buyers. You broke your 50 and went for a massive run. Now you're going to come back down. Might go lower. Honestly, Polka City might go to 1 cent. I don't see it happening until we break this massive support here. And you guys might think I'm crazy not cashing out on 100 grand, but I'm looking for the long term. I'm not looking for the short term, okay? I'm in this long term. I'm not in crypto I'm in crypto to make money, right? We're all trying to make money, but 19 bottom approximately, probably on Bitcoin. That would be the absolute bottom, in my opinion. Luna falling to hell. Yeah, correct. Is Luna still dumping, guys? I think so. My goodness, Luna is just tanking. Yeah, people are noticing their peg dropped and lost support. What about Phantom? Okay, Phantom, guys. Phantom is ridiculous as well. There's some buy signals flashing on Phantom for me and in the market too. Not yet. Not yet. But Phantom started dumping before everything else, if you guys don't remember. So here's the deal on Phantom. This could be a bounce off Phantom right here and a pump. Or you might go right down on your RSI. And guys, if you go right down in your RSI, you're looking probably Phantom around 20 to 40 cents. I would even say 15 cents on Phantom if you're going right down in your weekly RSI, but that would probably be a whip. The bottom is absolutely not in on Luna. I don't believe it is. If you bought Luna, great on you, DCA, but I don't think the bottom is in. Based on breaking that weekly support, unless we break above it, I don't see the bottom being in on Luna. Dent, you just gotta earn that support. You just not support. I was reading, yeah, Luna broke support. Dent, you just gotta earn that weekly, right? Those weekly tokens. That's all I'm looking at. I don't care about the price. I'm looking at my tokens go up, up, up. Okay. Guys, make sure you are smashing that like button, fam. I'm trying to give you guys what I got, but I can only do so much, right? Axie Infinity. Here's a little known proof. Everybody in the Philippines are bullish about Axie Infinity, so people put their hard-earned money into it. And in the Philippines, guys, money does not come easy here, okay? So Axie Infinity, people lost a lot of money. I've been asking people about crypto, offering advice and stuff, and people put a lot of money into Axie. It's very big in the Filipino community. We're gonna dump. We're probably looking support at $11 on Axie Infinity. If we can't hold 13, if we can hold 13, we're good. If not, which I don't think we will, you might go to $3 on Axie Infinity. Possibly. That is if we bring at $11 support. I would call this an upside down bull market for possibilities to make a lot of money in crypto. Best crypto to buy right now, probably Everdome and ERN, maybe ERN, but I would say Everdome more so. And I would also say I wouldn't buy crypto right now, but Everdome seems to be holding based on those 22 events that I showed you guys yesterday. Okay, let me see here. Nike, you want to check out Nike? Sure, man. You did a 3,200% profit. I'll give you a stock. I will be starting up a stock network, but not yet. I want to make sure we got all our ducks in a row with the mentorship and with the Project Moon Gold other channels. But guys, option stock trading, I know it all, right? You got to learn how to read the chart. I don't know it all. I can learn a lot, but I can read a stock chart, and I definitely look. Fundamentals play a lot more effect into the stock market than most. Yeah, Nike's done for now too. You just broke your weekly support. No, Nike actually might come back up. This is actually so Nike's gonna fall quite a bit here. Nike just broke weekly. The last time Nike was at the bottom, if you really want to look at this stock, it went up 190%. Okay, so it crashed pretty hard here back in 2020, and this is when we had the pan breakout to the downside. Grab the free money or we will be sorry. Okay, let me give you a bit of example on what free money you're talking about. Not trying to dodge or anything. Like there's a lot of positivity here, but Nike broke the 200 on the weekly. I would say Nike's going to drop down to around 104, possibly $90 around there. Um but that's my evaluation on there. Okay. For anybody that says we are bullish and a retest is going to happen, guys, I'm going to make this very clear. 2018, we realistically started going up in crypto in 2018. We have never formed a lower low since 2018. Okay. Even here, we have 3,764. Right here, we have 3,339. This is your weekly support now. Okay. You pumped up to here, you came down. Instead of breaking to your 30 on your weekly RSI, what is happening is you bounced. Okay. And then we had a nice run up to about 65,000. And that was at about 3,600. Okay, very simple. Then you ran up again and you hit the top. You never actually bottomed out on Bitcoin because you had a newfound support since 2018. You have now since broke that support. Guys, how many years is 2018? Quite a long time, okay? The world was in a completely different place. The market is not just going to bounce today or tomorrow based on breaking that long found support. Okay. All right, fam. So that is my analysis on Bitcoin long term. You're going to have some things pump, a little retrace. I don't recommend longing unless you're scalping. I'd be watching Pirate Chain though. Because anytime BTC drop like crazy, Pirate Chain pump like crazy. So I would definitely be watching Pirate Chain, guys, and I would be watching the privacy coins as well. Everything's kind of just as supporter going up a bit, so I would just recommend scalping this market. I guess Zilliqa might be a good short. When you're Zilliqa's really just consolidating here, so I would say Zilliqa would be a good short when you already broke your 50, but yeah, Zilliqa is probably going to come down to 3 cents. So that would be the only coin that I would say would be a possible good short. But again, things are going to bounce back for a bit here. And then we're probably going to have another rundown, $26. This is brutal. But I will tell you what, guys, as much FUD as there is in Luna right now, at the bottom, Luna will come out with something drastic, like they're launching a metaverse or something, and then Luna will absolutely go crazy. You sold at the top, so you need to buy something. Go for a walk or run. Sorry. Man, shout out to Johnny Depp. I don't know him. I don't know about his case as much, but that guy's a rock. 25K BTC, then next 16K. Man, if crypto goes down to 16K, that'll be the biggest blessing ever for a lot of people. 42 bucks on AVAX. Guys, large caps are going to bottom out. Okay, these are large cap coins. I don't even know if they are anymore, but large cap coins are going to bottom out. All right. Once large cap coins bottom out, I see a cycle possibly starting. Maybe not an alt season, but I'm not saying when, but you're going to have Bitcoin run. This is a cycle. This would not be alt season. You're going to have Bitcoin run. You're going to have your large caps run, then your mid, and a bit of your large, then your small and your mid, and then your micro and your small. Based on what I'm seeing right now, June or July, there might be a little cycle starting. Do I think it's going to be massive? No, not until Bitcoin is completely bottomed out on the weekly. You're in the algo short, you're up 85%. Let's go. I'm not on the islands yet. I'm in a little town here in the Philippines called Turlock. Visiting some of Joji's family. Meta partnering with Polygon, crazy. Meta's gonna partner with Matic. Okay. Nothing will happen on Matic until it hits your 30, but Matic is going to be very Matic at 85 cents is stealing candy from a kid, man. Like this is absolutely ridiculous. The gamify that Matic has, guys. So I would say Matic at 54 cents seems very, very probable at this point.